Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1965 Land Rover Series 2 forward control. So this casting is part of Matchbox moving parts line. It was actually new for 2024 and I think I got it in 2025 and never got to make a video. So there is a new Matchbox collector for the same vehicle, so I thought now it's a good time to make a video on this one so that when I make a video for the collector one I can compare both of them. This obviously is a, I don't know if you're a fan of Land Rover or Jaguars. I am a fan of those, so I do like to collect them, and I thought this was a nice one, and I'm just gonna take it out and show you some of the details of this one since it's already open. Let's move the box out of the way. And I do like the packing of the new moving parts. It's actually nice rather than the plastic one. So here it is out. First of all, the paint. I think it's very unique. Looks nice, and I can see some older vehicles with this paint. Wheels, again, we haven't seen this on a lot of Matchbox cars, and it actually looks good here. I'm gonna go to the front first and start from there. So in the front, you've got some nice details. You can see painted headlamp, painted grille. You also got turn indicators and running lamps painted. Windshield wipers are there. No mirrors though. Black bumper. Now, being a Range Rover, a Land Rover, it's a right-hand drive, I guess. Oh, I was wrong. It's actually left-hand drive. So back to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, you've got some nice details. You can see blackout windows, some more marker lamps on the side. This is, I think, for the awning. Then the window in the rear, and more cutout for grill, I think, for storage different kind of equipment, or I don't know, whatever you're storing for a RV, I guess. It looks nice. I like the paint. You also have steps here. Going to the back, again, some good details here. You've got a tow hook. You've got a ladder to climb on. Some gas cylinders in the back. I don't see any tail lamp here. I don't know where they are on these kind of vehicles, so I'm not sure. But this is how it looks from the top. So you can see there's your AC unit and a sunroof, I guess. Yep, which you can close or open since it's a moving part. On the passenger side, you can again see some good details. You've got huge windows, passenger door. I don't know what those exits are for. You've got Matchbox here and some more vents. This is how it looks from the bottom. And if I'm not wrong, this door opens up. Give me a sec, it's hard to open them with the gloves. So here it is in the open position, and if you open it, you can see there's a full interior in there. Looks like bed, and I don't know what else is there. You can see some chairs here. So a full interior is inside there. You can see the driver and passenger seats too. So overall, I think it's a really nice looking casting, and I'm a bit biased because I'm fan, as I said before, I'm a fan of Jaguar and Land Rover products. So I always wanted to collect those. But this one is actually good. I just wish they had mirrors. Would have made it look even better. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.